Is non-wine alcohol permissible in cooking? Um, we have some answers on this regarding this on the site. If non-wine wine alcohol, it depends. Is it going to be used um, to because non-wine alcohol, I mean, you could say beer is a non-wine. Wine, according to the Hanafi school, is dates and grapes, right? So anything that's made from anything else, potatoes for some or something like that, rice, then technically it's not wine, but it is an intoxicating drink. So those things would not be permissible when cooking. If you're talking about something like ethanol that's in the cooking process of various things, vanilla extract, these sorts of things, that's permissible. And the ulama have said that as long as it's not used in an amount that would intoxicate or in a way that resembles what other people do when you're pouring something over your cake, and then when they put wine on the cake and then they burn it. Maybe that might not be the best idea, but generally if it's not intoxicating, it won't be impure. Then if it's there in an ingredient, yes, although I can't really think of a usage where you'd get ethanol and just pour it into your brownie mix before you make some brownies. So Allahu A'lam.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله